Find the mean of the set of numbers 15, 17, 10, 5, and 13. First, add all the numbers together. 15 plus 17 plus 10 plus 5 plus 13 equals 60. Next, count how many numbers are in the set, which is 5. Finally, divide the sum by the number of numbers. 60 divided by 5 equals 12. Therefore, the mean of the set is 12. The median of a set of numbers is the middle value when the numbers are arranged in ascending order. For example, given numbers 15, 17, 10, 5, and 13. First, arrange them in ascending orders. 5, 10, 13, 15, and 17. Since there are 5 numbers, the median is the middle one, which is 13. However, if there is an even number of numbers, like in the set 5, 10, 13, 15, 17, and 19, arrange the numbers in order 5, 10, 13, 15, 17, and 19. The two middle numbers are 13 and 15, so the median is the average of these two numbers. 13 plus 15 divide 2 equals 14. Therefore, the median in this case is 14. The mode of a set of numbers is the number that appears most frequently. In your example, the set of numbers is 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 2, 5, and 6. By counting how many times each number appears. 1 appears 1 time, 2 appears 3 times, 3 appears 1 time, 4 appears 1 time, 5 appears 1 time, and 6 appears 1 time. Since 2 appears more frequently than any number, 2 is the mode of this set. Therefore, the mode is the most common number in the set. And in this case, it is 2. The range of a set of numbers is the difference between the highest and the lowest numbers. In the example, 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 2, 6, and 7. The highest number is 7 and the lowest number is 1. To calculate the range, subtract the lowest number from the highest number. 7 subtract 1 equals 6. Therefore, the range of this set is 6, which represent the spread or difference between the highest and the lowest values in the set.
Margin of error. Tell you how many percentage point your result will differ from the real population value. Example, given sample is equals to 500 and population is equals to 10,000. And the formula is E equals square root big letter N over small letter n minus 1 over big letter N. Let's proceed in solving. E equals square root 10,000 over 500 minus 1 over 10,000. Then 10,000 divide 500 is 20, minus 1 is 19, and 19 divide 10,000 is 0.0019. Then the square root of 0.0019 is 0.04358898,944, and the square root of 0.0019 multiply in 100, you get 4.36%. So now let's proceed in precision level. 100% minus percent of margin of error. 100% minus 4.36% is equals to 95.64%. Sample size. A subset of a population that is used to make an inference about the entire population. Given population is equals to 10,000 students, margin of error is equals to 0.5, and the formula is small letter n equals big letter N over 1 plus big letter N multiply E squared. Then let's proceed in solving. Small letter n equals 10,000 over 1 plus 10,000 multiplied 0.5 squared. Then 0.5 squared is equals to 0.25, and 10,000 multiplied 0.25 is 2,500. Then 1 plus 2,500 is 2,501. Then 10,000 divided 2,501 is equals 4.
Steps in solving sample t-test. Step number 1. State the hypothesis. Step number 2. Calculate the sample mean. Step number 3. Calculate the sample standard deviation. Step number 4. Calculate the t-statistic. Step number 5. Compare with critical value. And step number 6. Decision. Sample t-test. Example. We are testing if the average weight of a group of items is different from 5 kg. We have the sample 4.6, 5.3, 5.4, and 4.7. Change the number, then solve it. Step number 1. State the hypothesis. Null hypothesis H. The average weight is equal to 5 kg. Alternative hypothesis H. The average weight is different from 5 kg. Step number 2. Compute the sample mean. The sample data is 4.6, 5.3, 5.4, and 4.7. 4.6, 5.3, 5.4, and 4.7, and it equals to 20. And we will divide it by 4 equals 5. Step number 3. Calculate the sample deviations. Differences from the mean: negative 0.4, 0.3, 0.4, negative 0.3. Squared differences: 0.16, 0.09, 0.16, 0.09. Sum of squared differences: 0.16 plus 0.09 plus 0.16 plus 0.09 equals 0.50. Variance: 0.50 divided by parenthesis 4 minus 1 parenthesis is equals to 0.1667. Standard deviation: S is equals to square root of 0.1667 is equals to 0.4082. Step number 4. Calculate the t-statistic. The formula for t-statistic is shown on the screen. Substituting value: t is equals to 5.0 minus 5.0 divided by 0.4082 divided by square root of 4 is equals to 0 divided by 0.2041 is equals to 0. Step number 5. Compare with critical value. For a total test with a equals of 0.05 and degrees of freedom df equals 3, n minus 1 equals 4 minus 1. The critical value from the t-distribution table is approximately 3.182. Step 6. Decision. Since the calculated t-statistic 0 is less than the critical value 3.182, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. There is no significant difference between the sample mean and 5 kg at the 0.05 significance level. Steps in solving sample t-test. Step number 1. State the hypothesis. Step number 2. Calculate the sample mean. Step number 3. Calculate the sample standard deviation. Step number 4. Calculate the t-statistic. Step number 5. Compare with critical value. And step number 6. Decision. A. 7, 8, 9. Group B. 5, 6, 7. Step number 1. State the hypothesis. Null hypothesis HO, that mean of group A is equal to the mean of group B. Alternative hypothesis. The mean of group A is not equal to the mean of group B. Step number 2. Calculate the sample means. For group A, mean equals 7 plus 8 plus 9 divided by 3 is equals to 8.0. For group B, mean is equals to 5 plus 6 plus 7 divide 3 is equals to 6.0. Step number 3. Calculate the sample of standard deviations. For group A, differences from the mean, negative 1, 0, 1. Squared differences, 1, 0, 1. Variance, 1 plus 1 divide 3 minus 1 is equals to 1.0. Standard deviation, S1 is equals to square root of 1.0 is equals to 1.0. For group B, differences from the mean, negative 1, 0, 1. Square differences, 1, 0, 1. Variance, 1 plus 1 divide 3 minus 1 is equals 1.0. Standard deviation, S2 is equals to square root of 1.0 equals 1.0. Step 4. Calculate the t-statistic. The formula for t-statistic is shown on the screen. Substituting the values is shown on the screen. Step number 5. Compare with critical value. To calculate the degrees of freedom, df, for unequal variances, we use the formula was shown on the screen. For this example, df is equals to 4 rounded. The critical value of for df equals 4 and a is equals to 0.05. Two-tailed from the t-distribution table is 2.776. Step 6. Decision. Since the calculated t-statistic 2.45 is less than the critical value 2.776, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. There is no significant difference between the mean of the two groups at the 0.05 significance level.